Alright guys, so we're going to let the Redneck Mobile here warm up. I plan on taking you up, showing you the first bushcraft shelter I ever built. To give you an idea, I built it a little over a year ago. I wanted ideas. I want you guys to give me ideas, tell me what to build. You know, I want to give you guys the content you want. So, while this warms up, I also want to explain, even with this shelter, if you guys want to add roofs to it or sleepers or anything, right now it's more or less just a little camp. You can go up there, you can cook, has a bench, everything in it. But let's get headed. Oh, there she died. Trying to get her fired up here one-handed. There we go. Now she's back up and running. It ain't too far up in here, just right up through my shooting range. I got some videos to do of firewood coming soon, a couple other things. But right now let's start with the simple. Got a stick stuck in the wheel. See if you guys can see it here. Caught right in the wheel. There we go, now she's out. Just took a little persuasion, I guess, guys. Now we gotta walk them here. It might be run down, haven't been up here in a while. Been doing additions, stuff like that, but I'm definitely starting to get the free time now that winter's coming. Might do a camp up out here, but let me see how you guys react to the bushcraft. And like I said, I'm new to the YouTube, new to the game. I built this fire pit. I only burned a couple fires in it. My firewall seems to be falling down. Walls are holding up. Here's my wood storage box. Put wood in there, keep it nice and dry. Got my little trusty saw up here, but let me know what you guys think. You know, I want to know if you guys think I should build roofs or maybe make this a complete camp out shelter with a couple beds in it. Bring out a buddy or two to go camping. It's a lot to do, but I want your guys' input. Let me know what you want to see. I'll provide. Here's what it is now so far. It ain't got much. It's got this firewall, fire pit. It's got the 2 walls. Seems like the back wall is starting to fall down. But right now we're in a hemlock area. There's a few big ones, not many small. This is mainly my hardwoods. But this is one of the many small hemlock areas I have on the property. So if you guys want to see some future complete hemlock builds, or you want to see me tackle this with hardwood, just let me know. But there's a lot to do. Like I said, got to fix the walls, fix the back wall, and I even have to do something with the bench. Maybe I could put a sleeper right there, right here. I don't know. It's up to you guys. Possibly build a roof starting here to that one there, bring it out to right around here with a couple posts right there and there, make that whole thing all roofed all the way through. There's a lot we can do. So like I said, guys, give me your input. We'll see what we can do. And with that, I'm out.